In this lecture, we will see what are the SFRs, and in SFR accumulator. Okay, right? So in 805 microcontroller, there are many registers. Okay, there is a RAM and ROM. Okay, okay. So actually ROM is 256 byte, but in future we say that it is only 128 byte, right? So where is the remaining 128? Right? Remaining 128 byte, not all, but most of the registers, not all, but most of the registers are used as a special function register, that is known as the SFR. So do not get confused. This register. Register means what? It is a group of flip-flop. Group of flip-flop. So what is the flip-flop? Flip-flop is a 1-bit memory cell. Okay. And register means group of flip-flop. So 805 microcontroller is a 8-bit microcontroller. 805 microcontroller is a 8-bit microcontroller. So the RAM of 8051 consists of registers which are all of 8-bit. Means D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6 and D7. This is the register. This is the register. Okay, D0 to D7. Okay, these are 8 bits. 8 bits of the flip flop. It is a D flip flop actually, and it stores the 8 bits. That means 1 byte. 8 bit means 1 byte. Okay, so such a 256 are there. 256 bytes or 256 registers are there. Okay, so 256 registers or 256 bytes which are divided into 128, 128. So generally we say that the RAM of 8051 is of 128 byte, and remaining 128 byte, okay, RAM is used for the special function registers. Register means group of flip-flop. Okay. There is a confusion between a register and register. A register means this 8-bit register. Okay, and register means resistance. Okay, so many students or many persons have the problem with the register and register while studying the electronics. So register is a group of flip-flop, while the resistor and register, G is here, S is there. Yeah. So now let us, we will see there are so many SFR in the 805 microcontroller. Okay. First of all, we will see the accumulator register, right? So in accumulator register, so special function register or the accumulator. One of the special function register is the accumulator. So with arithmetic logic unit in 805 microcontroller, there is a special register known as the accumulator, in short ACC. Okay. So this accumulator is a 8-bit register. This is a 8-bit register. Its address is E0, H for hexadecimal, and it is a bit addressable. Okay. So first of all, we will see the what is the function of accumulator. So accumulator means there are many operations. ALU means arithmetic logic unit. Arithmetic logic unit. So what is the purpose of arithmetic logic unit? To perform the arithmetic and logical operations. Which are the arithmetic operations? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, okay, logical and or not, okay,
NAND.
exclusive or, okay. So these are the logical operations and these are the arithmetic operations. So in each case we require two operands. Means for addition add 5 plus 3, add or the subtract 5 minus 3, multiply 5 into 3, division 5 by 3. Okay, so the one of the operand means 5 or 3, one of the operand must be in the accumulator, must be in the accumulator. Okay, so this is the basic condition while programming with the 8051. When you are going to perform any arithmetic or logical operation, one of the operand must be in the accumulator. Okay, and next, so that is very important. So that's why accumulator is very important. And second thing, whatever the result we will get, okay, finally it is stored in the accumulator. Finally it is stored in the accumulator. So accumulator is a very important register. Okay, so whenever you want to store or give put value in the accumulator, you can directly put it. And when there is an operation, rather arithmetic or logic, okay, one of the operand must be in the accumulator. One of the operand must be in the accumulator, and the result will be stored in the accumulator. So suppose there is a 5 plus 3, so I have put 5 in the RAM, something elsewhere, and the 3 is here. So the after providing the instruction addition of these two bits, okay, 5 plus 3, the result will be stored in the accumulator. Okay, so this is an important function. Next, it is a bit addressable. It is a bit addressable. Bit addressable means what? So each bit of this register you can change or you can handle, okay, without disturbing other bits. Okay, means if you want to change D0 only, you can change. If you want to D4 only, okay, so you can change that. So that is known as the each bit have its own address. Each bit have its own address, and those addresses are E0, E1, E2, E3, E4, E5, E6 and E7. These are the bit addresses. Okay, and the total address of this register is the E0. Okay, so what is the special function register? Special function registers are the registers, okay, which have a particular task, okay, which are dedicated for a particular task, right? So that is known as the special function register. Its name itself explains that it is a special function register or SFR. Okay, so what is the function of accumulator? There are of course two functions. Which is first is the to store the data or the one of the operand in arithmetic or logical operations, and the final result from the ALU is stored in the accumulator. Next, its address is E0. It is a bit addressable. Bit addressable means what? We can change each bit, or if you want to change whole data of this, you can change, or if you want to change only one single bit, you can change single bit also. Okay, so that is known as the bit addressable. And these are the addresses of each bit: E0, E1, E2, E7. Okay, it is a 8-bit register in 805 micro. Okay, got it?
Here, I will give